Hey friends, welcome to AKV and this is Vishnu. So this illustration a company produces product A, B, C and D which is marketed in cartons. Of the total of 20 machinery installed, 8 of them is suitable for all 4 products and the 12 machines are not suitable for manufacturing of product A and D. Each machine is in production of 300 days per year and each of is used on the given product in terms of full days and not in fractions of days. The company, however, has no problem in obtaining adequate supply of labor and raw materials. So some of the details are given. Production per day per machine per carton 14 for 3 and 6. Selling price 8 ton 790, 845 and 1290. Cost 1. Process direct material per day per machine 40, 52, 46 and 84. Direct labor per day per machine 224, 148, 90 and 132. Direct process 2 direct material per carton 30, 30, 30, 30. Direct labor per carton 240, 216, 300 and 360. Variable overhead 390, 390 and 300 and 720. The marketing policy is that all 4 should be sold and the minimum annual production should be 3000 cartons for each product. Fixed cost budgeted amount to 50 lakhs. Production cost and the price data are as under. With a view to meeting the increasing demand of product A and D, the company is completing to convert such number of machines as may be necessary out of 12 machines which at present are suitable to produce product A and D into the purpose of machines. The cost of conversion of the machine is 2,10,000 per machine. The expenditure is to be amortized over a period of 3 years. The company expects a 12.5% return on the expenditure. Market research indicate that the company's sales product A and D can be increased to 37,500 cartons and 5,400 cartons respectively. Required information: calculate the optimum profit of the company if the existing machines were worked on most profitable basis before conversion. Number 2, recommend the maximum number of machines to be converted into all-purpose machines, giving supporting calculations. Calculate requirement 3. Calculate for the first year the optimum profit of the company after conversion of the required number of machines into all-purpose machines. Guys, here we have 4 products and we have 20 machines. Out of them 8 machines are used for every product, but 12 machines can be produced. Only A cannot produce A and B. And then they have given some of the details to repair those machinery, and there have been some cost for repairing such machines, and we need to work out the efficiency and the applicability of this problem. You need to work out the feasibility study. Right, so for starting the solution, we have 5 columns with particular A, B, C and D. Production per day per machine hour 14, 4, 3 and 6. Selling price 810, 790, 845 and 1290. Sales value per day will be, when we multiply the production day per machine per carton into selling price, we will get the sales value per day, that is 11,340, 3,160, 2,535 and 7,740. Then we have direct material per machine 140, 12, 145 and 84 as given in the question, and also direct labor also given as same in the question. Going further, process 2, direct material. Over here we have some calculations, and that is, we have on process 2 we have given that, it is given that the direct material per day per machine is, direct material per carton is 30 rupees. So when we divide this amount with the number of carton per day per machine, you will get the amount. So over here direct material is 420 and 120, 90 and 160, and the direct labor in the same way, and the variable cost also. After computing that, you can take the total cost, and when we deduct the total cost from the sales price, we will get the contribution. After getting the contribution, we can search the, we can rank those things, the machine or the product which gives more contribution per day per machine is ranked as first. Over here A is the first rank, and second rank is considered for D, which is the second highest contribution per day per machine. Then the third machine, that is machine product C, then product D. Statement showing computation of optimum mix. Computation of hours of production A. So guys, we have total hours, that is 300 days into 8 hours to 20 machines will give the total hour of the company as 48,000. Out of that, 8 machine can be all purpose machine. So for the computation of 8 machines, we have 19,200 hours, which means 300 into 8 into 8, 8 hours into 8 machines. Likewise, for 12 machines, it is like 300 multiplied by 8 hours into 12 machines, which the total hour will be 28,800 and 90,200 for 8 machines. And then we can go ahead with the minimum number of units. So minimum number of units is 3,000 for each product. Then carton per day will be 14, 4 and 3 and 6, which is given in the question. So when we divide this minimum number of units with carton per day, we will get number of days required to make the minimum number of units. That is for machine product A is 214.2 days, and for machine B it is 750 days, and for machine C 1000 days, and machine D is 500. Therefore the total days shall be, or the total hours, total days shall be 2464. The total hours for minimum production will be 714 for A and D, and for B and C it will be 1750. It is just like adding product A and product D, and then product B and product C. So hours available 2000. Here we have days available. Available days will be 2400 and 3600, which means 300 into 8 and 300 into 12 will give you the total days for each sections of machine. And then when we deduct 714.2 from 2400, we will get 1681. And over here we when we deduct 1750 from 3600, we will get 1850. So these are the balance days available for allocation. So balance hours shall be allocated for product A and product C. So when we check the ranking, we can know that um, for there is only 8 machine for which can be produced, which is an all-purpose machine, and on that machines we can produce product A and product B, and for other 12 machines we can produce B and C. Therefore the hours available, so therefore when we check the ranking for first section of 8 machines, it is better to produce product A, and for second section it is better to produce product C. So A and C can be used for production. So now we can calculate the statement showing computation of profit as per optimum mix. So the optimum mix can be um, optimum mix statement showing computation of optimum mix. First of all, I have taken contribution per unit 1736, 416, 610 and 864. Then we have our days available. So our days available will be 1900, 750, 2850 and 500. Contribution value is when we multiply contribution per unit into our days available, and after deducting the 50 fixed cost of 50 lakhs, you will get a profit of 4,95,000. Going ahead, statement showing computation of maximum machines which can be converted into existing uses. So we are going to the second part, or the second requirement, recommend the minimum number of machines which can be converted into all-purpose machine. So for that computation, I have made a table over here on which we have total hour days as 1900, 750 and 2850 and 500. We have cartons per day per machine as 14, 4 and 3 and 6. Therefore we will get carton at current production. When we multiply this with hour days with carton per day per machine, we will get total production. Then we can go for maximum unit. Okay, so we'll get the carton per box, and then in the illustration we have, it is given like we have a maximum limit for production of each product. So for production product A it is 37,500, and for product D it is 5,400. So when we deduct maximum unit from current production, we will get the balanced cartons which can be produced. That is 37,500 minus 26,600, which will give you 10,000, and 5,400 minus 3,000 will give you 2,400. Okay, so we'll get the balance cartons or the balanced product which we need to produce. After that, we can take the carton per day, which is 14 for product A and 6 for product B. When we divide the balance carton with carton per day, we will get the machine days required for conversion. So for product A it is 778.5, and for machine D it is 400 days. So when we take the total of these two products, we will get 1178.57 days. An excess of 1170 days is required to produce A and C. So this is the limiting factor. So we need to repair or redo such number of machines which have a capacity of 1178 days. For such computation, we can divide it with 300 days. An year, 1 year consists of 3 years, right? 300 days, right? So we can divide it with 300 days so that we can get the maximum number of machines which can be converted. So 1178.571 divided by 300 will be 3.92 machines, which means 4 machines. Cost of repair of machine. Now I am going to explain how the cost of repair of machine is converted. So from the above table we can identify that the machines which can be the number of machines which can be repaired is 4. So cost of repair shall be 4 machines into 2,10,000. It comes around 8,40,000. Cost of capital of such machine will be 8,40,000 into 12.5 percentage. That is 1,05,000. Therefore, the workings for computation of the optimum mix will be total cartons available over here. For machine A will be 37,500 and machine B will be 5,400. So the days available will be 37,500 divided by 14 and 5,400 divided by 6, that is 900 days. The total days will be 3,578.51. 12 into 3 plus 8 into 300. Total days available is 12 into 300 plus 8 into 300, that is 600 machine days. When we deduct 3,578 from 6,000, we will get 2,423.42 days. And hours required for product B will be 33,000 divided by 4 will give you 750 days, and when we deduct such amount we will get 1,671.42 days. Balance can be used for the production of product C. Will be 1,670. Going further, statement showing computation of profit in case of repair. So at the time after repairing the machine, the profit will be, the days available will be 2,678.57, 750 and 1,671.42 and 900 multiplied with contribution per unit will give you the total contribution value, that is 4,046 lakh 50,000 plus 3 lakh 12,000 plus 8 lakh 52,420 plus 7 lakh 77,600 will give you 65 lakh 92,020. When we deduct the fixed cost of 52 lakh 80,000 and the cost of capital employed, that is 1 lakh 5,000, we will get a profit of rupees 12 lakhs 729. Over here this is something which helps us to compute the minimum working days or the remaining working days available for manufacturing of product C in the company. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got clear and complete clarification regarding this illustration. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.